Hello, I am Travis with EMDRlight.com. I am going to teach you how to log into your Lightbar using a browser, in this case an Android. Going to your internet settings, search for the Lightbar and select it when it appears. Enter your password, which is the entire serial number displayed on the Lightbar display. Any characters will be in capital letters. You will be prompted to sign in if an Android device. You may be prompted to continue anyway via browser, depending on how your device is set up. Select the Lightbar again, and we are now logged in. You will see a run slow and run fast buttons. These are to give you the option to easily switch speeds. You can set these speeds however you would like via the slow frequency buttons here and the fast frequency buttons here. I am going to run slow. You may also switch from EMDR mode, which is a run until paused mode, or an art mode, which is a run until the cycles are completed mode. In art mode, you may also select saccade function instead of scrolling. I'm going to switch back to scrolling, and I'm going to switch back to EMDR mode. When you're in art mode, it's important to note that you will not be able to change the speed or the distance until the mode is paused or you switch back to EMDR mode. Here you can turn on tappers, and there are speakers located inside the tappers that will make a buzzing sound in addition to the tapping sound. You may turn those on after the tappers are turned on and turn them off. Here, as I've said before, you can adjust the frequency speeds, adjust brightness, and adjust the number of art cycles. So as you adjust these, you will note that the number on the left-hand side decreases or increases. This is the number that will be counted for your cycle counter. When in art mode is operating, the left-hand number will decrease to give you a countdown to the finish of the cycles. Distance is the distance of the Lightbar to your client. I recommend that you operate the Lightbar in whatever method you were taught in your training class, not necessarily using the distance function here, but if you decide to use the distance function, it is the distance of the Lightbar to your client. And this is adjustable in case you have a particularly small room to enable you to reduce eye strain for your client. You can change colors, simple enough. Find something that your client is comfortable with. Okay, and here is a Bluetooth section. This is to connect headphones to the Lightbar to have added left and right audio stimulation. The headphones must be stereo headphones. And to connect, press the auto connect button, turn it on, and then press the search button. Make sure that your headphones are in pairing mode using the manufacturer's instructions for the headphones. And then select Connect after you find the headphones. You may need to press the button 2 times, depending on your device. There, we are now connected to the headphones, which means that when the light bar is running, it will play a tone in the right or left ear, corresponding with the light bar movements. Under Profiles, you can save all of your settings. So if you have a default setting that you like to work with, or you want to save your client settings, you can adjust all of those settings and then come down to Profiles. And in the upper left profile screen, you can select the field here by tapping it and enter, in this case, I'm going to enter a name of 123. I recommend that you do not use your client's name. You can use a number that you record in the file or a 3-letter code that you record in their file. Then select Save. Again, you may need to press it 2 times. Once it is saved, it will display the date that it was saved above the profile field name. This is so that you can determine how old the profile is in case you ever need to delete it or if you want to update it. So if I wanted to update a client setting, I could go to unlock this, that prevents accidentally deleting or saving over, change something, and then select Save, and it has resaved the new settings under the same name. If I wanted to delete this, all I need to do is press Unlock and then Delete, and now that particular profile has been deleted. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can download the manual directly to your device from the Lightbar by selecting the manual can be downloaded here text. That is all. It's pretty simple to operate, and once you get the hang of it, it will be hopefully pretty intuitive for you. If you have any questions, please reach out via my email address, which will be posted along with the video, or via the contact page on the website. Thanks for your time.